Good morning and welcome to the area Securities Markets Update. Beginning with the Asian session today, two economic figures were released from Japan and China, which fueled the Aussie and the yen. In Japan, flash manufacturing PMI increased to 49.9 in May, up from 49.4, while China's HSBC flash manufacturing PMI rose to 49.7 in May, which is the highest reading since 4 months. As a result, the Aussie advanced across the board during the Asian session, rising the most against the Japanese yen to 94.2, up from 92.48, while the Aussie dollar also recovered to as high as 0.9270. Going forward to the European session today, we'll be focusing on manufacturing and services PMI data sets from France, Germany and the Eurozone. The entire figures for the month of May are expected to come in weaker than the previous months. In the UK also, the second estimation of Q1 GDP is expected to remain unrevised at 0.8%, and furthermore, UK public sector net borrowing set to decline to £3.6 billion in April, which would be the lowest in 2 months. As for the US session today, there are a collection of economic figures will be released from Canada and the US, which are likely to have the biggest impact on the markets today. In Canada, retail sales set to rise by 0.2% in March, comparing to 0.5 in February, while the core retail sales may rise by 0.5 versus 0.6 during the same period. In the U.S., jobless claims may rise back above 300,000 to 312,000 last week, up from 297,000 the week before, and flash manufacturing PMI is expected to rise slightly to 55.6 in May, up from 55.4, and finally, existing home sales may recover to 4.71 million in April, up from 4.59 million in March. These year's figures are the key for today, as further disappointing figures, despite the fact that the weather warmed up, will raise more red flags and will raise more questions about the reasons behind the current deterioration. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook and YouTube to get the latest economic releases, reports and analysis. Thank you for watching.